break down the step-by-step Wise account registration process on both the website and the mobile app, the precise compliance metrics you need to pass identity verification on your first try, and the hidden initial top-up requirement most tutorials completely forget to mention that unlocks your local bank routing numbers. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Creating a Wise multi-currency account completely changes the game, giving you access to the exact real-time mid-market exchange rate with zero hidden conversion spreads. Because Wise is a heavily regulated international financial institution, its automated compliance engine cross-references your inputs against global banking databases. If your entered details do not exactly match your legal records, your application will face an instant block. So before clicking sign up, make sure you have a valid, unexpired government photo ID, like a passport, a national ID card, or a driver's license. Your full legal name exactly as it appears on that ID file. A permanent physical residential address. Do not use a PO box, as the automated system will flag it instantly. A valid proof of address document issued within the last 3 months, such as a utility bill or bank checking statement. You can complete this on a desktop computer or your smartphone. Open your web browser and head directly to wise.com, or download the native Wise app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Look at the top navigation dock and click the green Register button. Type in your primary email address, or proceed using a secure Google or Apple single sign-on connection. Choose your account type. Select personal accounts unless you are registering an officially incorporated business structure that requires corporate payroll batch tools. Select your primary country of residence. Your choice of residential country defines exactly which local currency wallets, unique bank routing features, and physical debit card shipping options your dashboard layout will be allowed to access. Finally, input your active mobile phone number to receive a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Type that code into the screen interface immediately and establish a strong account password. Once you enter the dashboard, your account is initialized, but you cannot hold balances or execute wire transfers until you clear identity validation. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a mandatory regulatory tracking standard that requires Wise to verify a user's true legal identity before allowing them to manage cross-border financial asset transfers. To clear this phase on your mobile app, select your government ID type from the drop-down menu. Use your smartphone camera to snap a high-resolution, unblurred, glare-free picture of the front and back of your physical ID. Complete the live biometric selfie verification by framing your face inside the on-screen camera circle and moving your head slightly as directed. Wise's back-end database review team typically clears standard identity profiles within 2 business days, and you will receive an automated confirmation text or email. Once verified, your multi-currency dashboard layout opens up. If you want to hold money in over 40 currencies or get your own dedicated international bank routing numbers, like a US routing and account number to receive freelance direct deposits, you have to complete one final step. Click to watch this video here to learn how to find your Wise routing number. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.